Hey guys, it's Mark. Welcome back to my truck. Today we're going to take a look at some tools made by Lang. Now Lang makes most of their tools in the USA, so that's always a thing that people always ask for. Do you have any USA made tools? So stick around and let's check out some tools made in the USA, and maybe I'll even show you another company that makes some tools in the USA. But for now we're just going to start out with Lang tools. So let's start off with the first one. This is an internal external retaining ring tool. And they got the part number of this one is a 87. That's the whole part number. Two numbers, 87. Made in USA tool. Not a bad little tool. We'll just start off with that one. And let's move on to some brake tools. Another one from Lang, the brake caliper tool. All right, they have two of these now. This one is a 277 and this one's a 279. What is the difference? Okay, a 277 is for small brake calibers and a 279 is for the larger brake calibers. So it's a ratcheting tool, pushes back the brake calibers for the ones that are not electronic brakes. So that is a tool by Lang. I'll actually show you the small one. And the difference is the small one is it extends out. So you would actually need a caliper that actually has a slot where that could actually protrude out of. But you can see how thin that thing gets. So that is a tool from Lang for brake calibers. For diagnosing, this is a 15-foot test lead that goes to your meter. So you can actually plug straight into your meter and then run it out to 15 feet. And then it coils back in really nice for easy storage in your toolbox. Part number of that is a Lang 1175. Another tool from Lang, made in the USA, a TU-32-2. That is your basic diesel fuel pressure tester. Okay, for diesel trucks, comes with some extra fittings. Nice large gauge with quick disconnects, so you're not screwing and unscrewing things. That's your basic diesel fuel pressure tester. Let's stay on the fuel pressure tester gig. Now this is just a fuel pressure tester for gas. Okay, again, has a very large gauge for easy viewing. It also has a bleed off port on the side, right there. So after you pressure test it, you can stick this little clear tube into a container and bleed off any fuel that's inside the tool, so it doesn't make a mess and go all over the place. So that is a Lang TU-469 fuel pressure tester. Made in the USA. All right, moving right along. Another Lang tool. Internal, external snap ring pliers. Okay, 6-piece set. Part numbers are 3597. And they're the ones that have switch on them. It's easy. What's nice about it is if your hands are greasy, you can grab onto it pretty easy. And then you can just adjust it by moving them up and down for internal and external. Okay, and then you just relock it in position. That's a Lang, and you can also get these individual. Each one has a part number on it. So if you ever need one For an individual part, most numbers are on the tool. Let's stay on snap ring pliers. This is for my truck guys. Okay, it's an internal external set. It is ratcheting, because when you start using ones for the snap rings that you're going to be using this tool on, you know how those things can be under a lot of pressure. So the ratcheting really helps it hold into place. Okay, and that's part number 1487. A 1487. I'm actually going to get this out to show you, because I believe, yes it does, it comes with, let me open it up for you. So there you go, has a switch on the side. And it comes with the fittings for the end, so you can get straight and 90s, and I believe 45s are in there. And they just bolt right in to the end, so you can, whatever size you need, you have it. And again, individual part numbers are on the handles of Lang. So right now, that is the, just for Lang, a couple items I want to show you that are made in the USA. Also, just starting to be made in the USA, some Vim tools. Now this one here is one of their ratchets. Okay, it's a Maverick ratchet. Part number is a FR6 USA. And they really nice, hardly any back drag. I don't know if you can hear that. But a really nice ratchet, flex head. So I'll be getting more of these in, some of the Vim stuff. I have customers that like USA made stuff, and I got customers that just like any old ratchet that can fit their pocketbook. Because usually when you start to get into the USA made stuff, especially in the hand tools like this, it's a lot more expensive. Lang, with their tools, they are very reasonable for being made in USA. I know Lang makes a lot of tools for a lot of other franchises, and everybody seems to be very happy with them. Guys, quick review of tools, what's on the tool truck, and if you see something on the truck in my background here that you want me to review, just let me know. Post it down in the comments. All right, have a great day, and I will be talking to you soon. Thank you.